Hey viewers, welcome to the store quiz. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd one numbers, letters, emoji and math quizzes? There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start the ice cream edition. Can you find the odd one ice cream? Perfect guess, you get the right one. Hey viewers, can you find the odd one out within given time? Nice catch, ready for the next. Only the real observation challengers can get the odd one number. You have solved it, you are on fire. Now check your brain power, how fast it works. If you got it right, you are very sharp. Hey genius, can you find the odd one ice cream shape? Nice work, you nailed it. Be quick and try to find the odd one ice cream flavor. You are officially on fire. Now it's time to solve the math question. Can you find it the right option? You have passed the challenge. This one is not tricky, you can solve it within time. Nice one, keep winning. Now it's time to beat the clock. You have to find the odd one letters. Hey, if you have done it, now ready for the next one. 2 people have to boost your IQ level and type the right option if you found it. Brilliant, keep this trick alive. This puzzle will track your brain. Now you have to challenge your brain. Incredible, great thinking. Viewer, test your eyes and try to find the odd one letters. You deserve a perfect score. You have just 10 seconds to find the Oreo ice cream box. Tell me honest, did you get the right one? It's time to start the medium level. Can you find the odd one number within time? I think the real observation challenger get on time. Find the number or lose the game. It's time to challenge you. You people are smart than think. This puzzle will trick your brain. Now you have to find the right one. You are officially a quiz champion. Jump on it and find the odd one out within time. Incredible, great thinking. Hey viewer, solve the math question and find the right one option. Wow, you are doing great. You have just 10 seconds to solve this question. Fantastic, you are on fire. This one is not easy. Can you find the chocolate ice cream? Ready for the next challenge? Hey genius, you have to find this emoji puzzle within time. If you nail it, drop yes in comment. Don't rush, but don't be slow because time is running. Great, you are finding on time. One is not difficult. Find the cone ice cream within time. Farmer, you nailed the puzzle. Put the hidden one cone ice cream in the puzzle. Boom, that was absolutely correct. You have just 10 seconds to win. Now find the correct one. Sharp eyes, you found it. Hey, can you find the cold coffee glass in this puzzle? Ready for the next one challenge. Now it's time to start the hard level. Can you find the odd one out within time? Perfect guess, you found it. Can you guess this letter puzzle within time? That was not easy, you get it right. Check your brain power, how fast it works. Good job, now move to the next one. Not everyone can find this number puzzle within time. Perfect guess. I think this is impossible to find this number puzzle. Only the real observation challenger get it. Calculate the math quiz and write your option in comment. The right option is here. Now here is your math quiz challenge. Try to solve it. Perfect guess, you found it. Hey viewer, can you find the odd one box of chocolate ice cream? Nice catch, move to the next. Jump on it and find the odd one emoji. Perfect, I appreciate you. It's the hard level emoji puzzle. Can you beat the clock? Fantastic, you are on fire. Spot the difference and try to find the right option. You are officially a quiz champion. You people have just 10 seconds to crack this puzzle. Smart move, you are doing great. Something is hidden here. Can you find the odd one letter? Yeah, you did it. Boost your IQ level and try to find the odd one out within time. Good job, you did. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Pick up a challenge for the next video.